Hey, it's Brittany, your Houston Realtor. So we're here back again in Balmoral in Texas, and I'm excited to show you Brightland Homes model home in this community. They've got a great plan. It's called the Oleander plan, and actually it is not available any longer. It's been super popular here in Balmoral, so they are actually not doing it anymore in this community. But they've got so many other great plans that I really wanted to show you this plan and just the quality of work that Brightland does. And also, I have a treat for you at the end of this video. Make sure to stay tuned. We've got an inventory home to see by Brightland as well. It's totally completely finished, ready to move in. So if you're ready, let's go take a look at all of this. All right, I really love, honestly, when builders upgrade their plans. So that's what we have here, from the Oleander to the Palm. The reason I have Palm information here is because it's the closest plan to the Oleander that we have, being a 4-bed, 3-bath. The only thing that you're gonna have to do with the Palm in order to get the flex room is basically convert one of the bedrooms to the flex room. Let me know what you think about this plan. Enjoy. enjoyed the model home tour. Don't forget, coming up next is the inventory home called the Fiji, and it is completely ready to go. Enjoy and stay tuned. All right, like I said, this is the Fiji, totally ready to go. This is just one of the homes in the communities that is available and ready right now. So 1922 square feet. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath. There is an extended covered patio here, and check out those darker floors. Hope you enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. If you have any questions about Balmoral in general or Brightland in general, I'm happy to help. I am a realtor in this area and help buyers find their home here. So definitely reach out to me. Contact information is below, and see you on the next video.